Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to do division in a very easy method. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't followed my Instagram and Facebook page, then go and visit. So let's start. If you have to divide this number, so there is a very easy trick. But before that, let's get acquainted to some of the terms used in division. So here, for an example, if you are dividing 2 with 9, so you will get 4, which is termed as quotient. Fine. So 2 4s are 8, so the remaining part will be termed as remainder, and 2 is a divisor and 9 is a dividend. So these are some of the terms which we will be using in this division trick. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to make one box. Here in this term, here you will write 89, and here you will write 4 this term, and 32 you will write here. This is one of the step you need to follow. 89 should be written here, 4 will be written here, and 32. Fine. So now this 4 will come down. This is your Q. Now for this trick you need to know one thing, that we will be expressing our answer, the required answer, in the term of Q R by D. Fine. Here D is divisor and not dividend. Fine. So we will express our answer in this way. So here you got your quotient as 4, and this is your divisor. This is your divisor, so you can directly write 89 here. So now see, in within a second you got your two terms, that is quotient and divisor. Now you only need to find out the remainder, and for remainder there is a very easy step which you need to follow. That is, you need to check that 89 is how much less than 100. So 100 minus 89, that is 11. Fine. So this will give you 11. So you will multiply this 11 with 44. So 11 into 4 is, 11 with 4. So that will give you 44. So you will write here. Now you will add these two terms, that is 6 and this is 7. So this is your D, 76. Since it took time cause I had to explain it, but in your next question you will check that we can complete this in very easy way and very quicker way. So you will write 6, you will write 52. Now this 6 will go down. So this is your here. This is your D. So this will come here. So 100 minus 93 is 7. 7 into 6 is 7 into 6 is 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42. You will add this up, you will give 4 and 9. So 94. I don't think so that in this easier way you can solve any of your division. Again, this is your 86, this is 3, this is 56, this 3, 86. 100 minus 86 is 14, right? 14 into 3 is 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 6 7 8. If you will add this up, and this is 9. So this is 98. So if you will see that when you will practice, you can take out the answer in very easier and quicker way. See, again I am again explaining you that 3 5 6. So last question, this is your last question. You answer me in comment box that if you were able to take out the answer or not. Hope you like this trick. Do follow this trick and also subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.